Hello and welcome to our InGo-MMT Mobile App tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through managing your MakeMyTrip and Goibibo bookings efficiently right from your smartphone. We will show you how to check your booking details effortlessly, manage check-ins and check-outs for the day, access guest information and vouchers, utilize filters and search functionalities for quick access. This will significantly streamline your property management process. Let's get started. Log into your Ingommt Mobile App account. If you are new, simply sign up for an account first. Once logged in, navigate to the Bookings tab located in the bottom navigation menu. This is your central hub for all your reservations. Here, you will see a clear overview of your bookings, including upcoming check-ins and check-outs for the day. To plan your check-in process effectively, tap on the check-in count. This will display detailed information for all guests arriving that day. Similarly, you can view all scheduled checkouts and new bookings received for a specific date by tapping on the relevant section. These shortcut buttons allow you to easily filter your bookings by status, new, upcoming, past, or cancelled with a single click. For a comprehensive view of any booking, simply tap on the guest name. Here you will find a wealth of information including customer profile details, contact information, stay duration, payment status and breakdown, room details and any special request, booking vouchers. To view a detailed price breakdown, simply click on the price link within the booking. On the same screen, tap the voucher icon at the top to access or share the voucher. A pop-up window will appear. Click View to easily see the booking voucher. To share the voucher, click Send via email. You can then effortlessly send it to your email for further distribution. Use the search bar at the top to quickly locate a specific booking by its ID. The filter icon allows you to refine your booking list based on various criteria: booking date, check-in check-out date, custom date range for a specific time frame, booking status like confirmed cancelled, payment status like paid pending, payment mode, booking platform Goibibo or MakeMyTrip. For a holistic view of your upcoming and past bookings for the entire month, utilize the calendar icon. This provides a visual representation of check-ins and check-outs on each date. You can simply swipe through the months to access the desired information. By mastering these functionalities of the Ingommt Mobile App, you can manage your MakeMyTrip and Goibibo bookings with ease, saving your valuable time and effort. We encourage you to explore the app further and discover its other features designed to simplify your property management experience.